Hey guys, it's getting close to springtime. You know what that means. The birds are coming back, and that means we need to restock. I'm so excited for the first feed. Also, don't mind that. That's just our neighborhood husky singing his people's song. It's spilling. There we go. Most of it's in. Unfortunately, the bird bath broke during the winter, but I'll fix it. That's everything for you guys. Oh, and my follower goal this year is going to be 1,000. I'm working up to being able to do a live just for birds, so you can see them while they're eating. It's going to be great. Promise.